Okay, so I'm going to make some vegetables. I'm going to make frozen vegetables. Age and season them maybe. Just open it. Put it in the pan with just a drop of water. You can't even see the water, there's so little of it. Okay, so I'm going to put that on low. And cover it and let it steam. And that's how you do the oh, you can add a little bit of salt or something on it. Hold on. Put a bit of black pepper on it. Always black pepper. A bit of garlic. And a bit of Grill Mates chipotle roasted garlic, which just has first ingredient the salt, or you can just put a little bit of salt on there. But now I like to jazz things up. Okay, and put the cover on it and let it steam on low for about 20 minutes. Alright, here's the cover. I'm going to put that on there. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to stir the vegetables a little bit. They've been on simmer for 20 minutes. Don't like vegetables overcooked, like them crisp. So I'll turn the fire off. And I'm just going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and then we're going to eat.